Once upon a time, in the charming village of Harmony Haven, there lived a group of unique and magical creatures known as the Harmonimals. Each Harmonimal had a special gift that brought joy and positivity to the village. Among them was Harmony the wise owl, Melody the cheerful bunny, Rhythm the playful squirrel, and Tempo the gentle deer. One sunny day, the Harmonimals gathered in the heart of the village for their annual Friendship Festival. The festival was a celebration of unity, where the Harmonimals showcased their talents to spread happiness. However, this year, there was a new addition to the village, a mischievous character named Discord the Sly Fox. Discord was not like the Harmonimals. He enjoyed playing pranks and causing confusion. Unlike the Harmonimals, Discord believed that being clever and tricky was the key to happiness. Intrigued by the Friendship Festival, Discord decided to join in, but not with the intention of spreading joy. As the festival began, Harmony the wise owl took the stage to share words of wisdom with the villagers. She spoke about the importance of kindness, cooperation, and understanding in building a harmonious community. The Harmonimals showcased their unique talents, creating an atmosphere of laughter and joy. However, as Discord watched, he grew envious of the Harmonimals' ability to bring happiness without resorting to tricks. Determined to prove his way was better, Discord devised a plan to disrupt the festival. He sneaked into the village and started pulling pranks, causing chaos and confusion among the villagers. At first, the Harmonimals were puzzled. They couldn't understand why the once happy festival was turning into a chaotic mess. Harmony the wise owl, with her keen senses, soon realized Discord's mischievous presence. She gathered the other Harmonimals and devised a plan to confront Discord and restore peace to Harmony Haven. Approaching Discord, Harmony spoke kindly, "Dear Discord, we understand that you have a different way of finding happiness. But our village thrives on unity and joy, not chaos. Let us show you the beauty of true friendship." Discord, taken aback by the Harmonimals' kindness, hesitated for a moment. The sincerity in their voices touched a chord within him that he never knew existed. Reluctantly, he agreed to give their way a chance. The Harmonimals, along with Discord, worked together to repair the festival and bring back the joyous atmosphere. As Discord experienced the warmth of friendship and cooperation, he began to understand the true meaning of happiness. In the end, the Friendship Festival became a symbol of unity, where the Harmonimals and Discord showcased their unique talents together. Discord, now realizing the beauty of genuine happiness, became an honorary Harmonimal, spreading joy in Harmony Haven in his own, reformed way. The moral of the story is that true happiness comes from unity, kindness, and understanding. While it's essential to celebrate our uniqueness, it's equally important to embrace the qualities that bring people together. Harmony and joy flourish in a community where everyone contributes positively, accepting each other's differences with an open heart.